Guys, look at my skin. Believe it or not, this is skincare foundation, which is amazing because I have acne prone skin. So everything usually breaks me out, same with my patients. And guess what? Now you don't have to worry about breaking out when you wear your makeup throughout the day. Haus Labs came out with this TRICLONE technology foundation, which is absolutely beautiful. This has green tea, licorice root, squalane, also has glycerin. So those help hydrate the skin, but then you also have green tea, which is going to help soothe and hydrate and help fight redness and inflammation. And licorice root, which helps brighten the skin, which is one of my absolute favorite ingredients in skincare. So now you don't have to worry about a foundation breaking you out or irritating your sensitive skin because they created a skincare foundation.